So what you might know is Idaho is known for its potato farms, but what you might not know is Idaho has a ton of onion farms. And since it is cold and snowy out, I wanted to make something nice and warm and comforting, so I figured we would go in and make some onion casserole. Onion casserole is very similar to French onion soup, but to me, way better. So let's go inside, let's go spice things up. The first thing you want to do is get about 6 onions and start chopping them up into nice fine slices. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take about 2.5 to 3 sticks of butter and start melting them down. Okay, so once your butter has all melted, you want to go and take your onions that you already chopped up and put them in here. Okay, so now I'm going to add some crushed salt and pepper. And I'm going to mince about 3 garlic cloves. So you want to saute this for about 10 to 15 minutes, basically until the onions are soft, but you don't want to overcook them, so you don't want to brown them at all. Just cook them down till they're nice and soft. Okay, so while your onions are cooking down, you want to take 1 can of cream of chicken soup and just put it in a bowl. And 1 cup of milk. And just mix these together. All right, perfect. It has cooked down. Okay, so just take your onions and put them right in a pan. So now you want to take your soup and just pour it right over the onions. And about 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. Just put that over the top as well. Now you want to take some French bread, or these are French baguettes. These are already sliced, so I didn't have to do that. But you want to just soak them in the butter onion remnants, which is some of the reason why you have so much butter in this recipe. All right, so once they have been soaking a little bit, then just go ahead and butter side up right on top of that cheese. And just fit as many as you can in the pan. Hey, that rhymed. All right, last one. Perfect. Just like this. Okay, so you want to put your casserole in the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes or until it is nice and golden brown. Oh man, guys, can you see in my hair? This is hail. So this is no longer snow, now it's hailing. This is weather in Idaho. It always changes. Just watch, in an hour it's gonna be sunny and all melted. Let's go inside and see if it is ready. Okay, it has been 30 minutes, so let's check. Oh, yep. This looks perfect, and if you can see, it is bubbling up, and the bread is golden brown. It is done. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed making this nice warming casserole for this cold weather. So let's give it a try. You can hear the crunch from the bread. Alright, a little bit of the bread and the onions. You'd be surprised how good this recipe is. I hope you go home and give it a try, and if you have any questions, just comment below. And if you'd like to see more videos, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Bye, and see you in the next video.